And the next book is about another one of my favorite things, Chicken Soup with Rice, a book by Maurice Sendak. In January, it's so nice while sipping on the sliding ice to sip hot chicken soup with rice. Sipping once, sipping twice, sipping chicken soup with rice. In February, it will be my snowman's anniversary, with cake for him and soup for me. Happy once, happy twice. Happy chicken soup with rice. In March, the wind blows down the door and spills my soup upon the floor. It laps it up and roars for more. Blowing once, blowing twice, blowing chicken soup with rice. In April, I will go away to far-off Spain or old Bombay and dream about hot soup all day. Oh my, oh once, oh my, oh twice, oh my, oh chicken soup with rice. In May, I truly think it best to be a robin lightly dressed, concocting soup inside my nest. Mix it once, mix it twice, mix that chicken soup with rice. In June, I saw a charming group of roses all begin to droop. I pep them up with chicken soup. Sprinkle once, sprinkle twice, sprinkle chicken soup with rice. In July, I'll take a peep into the cool and fishy deep, where chicken soup is selling cheap. Selling once, selling twice, selling chicken soup with rice. In August, it will be so hot, I will become a cooking pot. Cooking soup, of course, why not? Cooking once, cooking twice. Cooking chicken soup with rice. September, that's my birthday month. In September, for a while I will ride a crocodile down chicken soupy Nile. Paddle once, paddle twice. Paddle chicken soup with rice. In October I'll be host to witches, goblins, and a ghost. I'll serve them chicken soup on toast. Whoopee once, whoopee twice, whoopee chicken soup with rice. In November's gusty gale, I will flop my flippy tail and spot hot soup. I'll be a whale, spouting once, spouting twice, spouting chicken soup with rice. In December, I will be a bauble-bangled Christmas tree with soup bowls draped all over me. Merry once, merry twice, merry chicken soup with rice. I told you once, I told you twice, all seasons of the year are nice for eating chicken soup with rice. And that's the end. It's been fun today. Before I go, I want to leave you with a saying that you should tell your teacher, your parents, classmates, and friends when you get done reading. Tell them that reading and writing are the gifts that keep on giving. Hope you had fun. Have a great day.